These smart TV remote tricks will totally change how you watch your favorite shows. Smart TVs have become an essential part of our home entertainment, and their remotes have evolved to offer more than just channel surfing and volume control. The days of bulky remotes with limited functions are behind us, and we're now in an era where our TV remotes can do so much more. From controlling other devices to accessing a world of apps, smart TV remotes have become a central part of our viewing experience. The evolution of TV remotes has been remarkable, transforming from simple devices with a few buttons to sophisticated gadgets that can control our entire entertainment system. This shift from basic functions to advanced smart features has significantly impacted how we interact with our TVs. With the introduction of smart TVs, remotes began to include more buttons and functionalities, eventually leading to the development of universal remotes. These universal remotes could control multiple devices, making it easier to manage our home entertainment systems. Let's dive into the coolest smart TV remote tricks you should know. One of the most impressive features is voice command. Many smart TV remotes come with voice control capabilities, allowing you to search for content, change channels, and even control other smart devices in your home. For instance, you can simply say search for action movies and your TV will display a list of action movies available to stream. Some remotes also allow you to set up custom voice commands for specific actions, making it even more convenient. You can use voice commands to control the TV's volume, mute it, or switch between inputs. Another fantastic feature is app integration. Most smart TVs come with a range of apps pre-installed, and you can easily access them directly from your remote. This means you can seamlessly switch between streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime Video. Some smart TV remotes also support multi-device control, allowing you to control other devices connected to your TV, such as soundbars or Blu-ray players. Shortcut settings are also a game changer. You can program your remote to access frequently used features or settings with just one click. For example, you can set up a button to directly take you to your favorite streaming service or to adjust the picture settings. Additionally, many smart TVs offer customizable buttons that you can assign to perform specific actions. Some remotes come with a built-in keyboard or a separate keyboard accessory, making it easier to search for content or enter login credentials. The gesture control feature on some smart TV remotes is also worth mentioning. With just a flick of your wrist or a swipe of your finger, you can navigate through menus, change channels, or adjust the volume. Some smart TV remotes also support mobile apps that allow you to control your TV from your smartphone. This means you can use your phone as a remote control, which is super convenient when you're sitting on the couch and don't want to get up to grab the remote. These tricks not only enhance the viewing experience but also make smart TVs more user-friendly and versatile. By using these features, you can unlock the full potential of your smart TV and enjoy a more immersive entertainment experience. These features have revolutionized how we interact with our smart TVs, making it easier to find and enjoy content. With the ability to control multiple devices and access a range of apps, smart TV remotes have become an essential part of our home entertainment system. The voice command feature, in particular, has made it easier to search for content without having to type. The customizable buttons and shortcut settings have also made it easier to access frequently used features. According to tech experts, the integration of voice control and AI in smart TV remotes is a significant step towards creating a more immersive viewing experience. Many users have also shared their positive experiences with these tricks. One user said, "I was amazed by how much more enjoyable my TV watching experience became after I started using the voice command feature." Another user shared, "The customizable buttons on my smart TV remote have saved me so much time and effort." These testimonials highlight the benefits of utilizing these tricks and how they can enhance the overall viewing experience. In conclusion, the coolest smart TV remote tricks have transformed how we interact with our TVs. From voice commands to app integrations and shortcut settings, these features have made smart TVs more user-friendly and versatile. By utilizing these tricks, you can unlock the full potential of your smart TV and enjoy a more immersive entertainment experience. The impact of these tricks on our viewing experience cannot be overstated. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite smart TV tricks? Do you have a go-to feature that makes your TV watching experience better? Let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about smart TVs and their features, be sure to check out our other related videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content. We're always here to help you get the most out of your smart TV and other devices. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and we look forward to reading your comments.